Hello students, today we will discuss CGL examination tier 1 paper 2022 held on 1st December 2022. Exam time was 11:45 to 12:45. Today's first question is x is a negative number such that k plus k raised to the power minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Then what is the value of k square plus 4k minus 2 upon k square plus k minus 5? To solve this question, first we will convert k raised to the power minus 1 into 1 upon k. So our equation will be k plus 1 by k is equal to minus 2. Now further, we will solve this problem and the next step will be k square plus 1 is equal to minus 2k, and further we will solve this equation and find the value of k, that is minus 1. Now as we know the value of k, we will put the value of k in the given equation and solve it, so the answer will be 1. Next question is, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 under root 2, then what is the value of x raised to the power 4 plus x raised to the power minus 4? So for solving this, first we will take the equation, and as we know we can write 5 under root 2 as under root 50 also. So our equation will be x plus 1 by x is equal to under root 50. Now we will square both the sides and solve this problem with the help of formula a plus b whole square. After solving, we will get x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 48. Now, as we know in our equation, we want the value of x raised to the power 4. So we will again square both the sides and solve it with the help of formula a plus b whole square, and our new equation will be x raised to the power 4 plus 1 by x raised to the power 4 plus 2 is equal to 2304. Now solving this, we will get the value of x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4 is equal to 2302. This is our answer. As we know, we can write 1 upon x raised to the power 4 as x raised to the power minus 4. Third question. A man rows a boat a certain distance downstream in 9 hours, while it takes 18 hours to row the same distance upstream. How many hours will it take him to row 3/5 of the same distance in still water? Now, for solving, boat's speed in still water is equal to 1 by 2 downstream speed plus upstream speed. Let's take the distance be x. Downstream speed will be x upon 9 and upstream speed will be x upon 18. Now we will find the speed in still water, that will be 1 by 2 multiply x upon 9 plus x upon 18. So we will get speed is equal to x upon 12. Now putting it into the formula, time is equal to distance upon speed, but pay attention that our distance is 3/5. So we will take 3x upon 5 upon x by 12. And solving this, we will get 7.2 hours will be the correct answer. Next question, study the given chart and answer the following question. What is the central angle corresponding to the steel production by Kerala? So adding all the productions, we will get 1000 total production, and as we know in the pie chart, all the angles are sum of all the angles are 360. So production by Kerala is 200, total production is 1000, so required angle will be 200 upon 1000 multiplied 360, and that is 72 degrees. Fifth question. A shopkeeper makes a net profit of 44% on selling an article at successive discount of 10% and 20%. Find the net profit percentage if the shopkeeper sells the same article at a discount of 15%. So, if the first discount is x% and second discount is y%, then total discount is equal to x plus y minus xy upon 100%. So suppose C is the cost price and M is the market price, we will get selling price is equal to M multiply 72 by 100 and selling price will be C multiply 144 by 100. Now solving this, C multiply 144 upon 100 is equal to M multiply 72 by 100. So 2C is equal to M. Selling price after 15% discount is equal to M multiply 85 by 100 and M can be written as 2C. So 2C multiply 85 by 100 is equal to C is multiply 170 by 100. So net profit percentage is 70%. Next question. What will be the value of sine 30, sine 40, sine 50, sine 60 upon cos 30, cos 40, cos 50, cos 60? So for solving this, we will take sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. And when we put this in at the place of sine 30, sine 40, sine 50 and sine 60, we will get cos 60, cos 50, cos 40 and cos 30. And solving this, we will get 1 as the solution. What is the ratio between the HCF and LCM of the numbers whose LCM is 48 and the product of the number is 384? So the formula will be LCM multiply HCF is equal to product of number. Putting the value 48 and 384 in this equation, we will get HCF is equal to 8. Now the ratio of HCF and LCM will be 8 upon 48, that is 1 by 6. Next question. The price of a scooter increases successively by 10%, 5% and 15%. What is the total percentage increase in price of scooter? So let's take the price of scooter be 100. Now total percentage increase will be 110 upon 100 multiply 100 multiply 105 by 100 multiply 115 by 100 minus 100. So by solving this equation, we will get 1313 by 40 and which can be written as 32, write 33 by 40%. If areas of similar triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF are x centimeter square and y square centimeter square respectively, and EF is equal to 1 centimeter, then BC in centimeter will be. So, property is that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the area of both triangles is proportional to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So by this property, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square by EF square. Now putting the values, we will get x square by y square is equal to BC square by A square, and solving this we will get BC is equal to AX upon Y. Question 10. The average of the marks of 25 students in a class in an examination was calculated to be 19. Later, the teacher realized that the marks of 2 students were taken as 18 and 19 respectively instead of 14 and 15. Find the new actual average marks of the class. So, total marks of 25 students, as we know, 25 multiplied 19 is equal to 475. Now, total of incorrect marks of 2 students is equal to 19 plus 18, that is 37. So, total of correct marks will be 14 plus 15 is equal to 29. Now, the difference between correct and incorrect is minus 8. So, the new total of mark will be 467. Now, actual average will be 467 by 25, that is 18.68. Simplify x raised to the power 9 multiply x raised to the power 5 multiply x raised to the power minus 4 multiply x raised to the power 0 multiply x raised to the power minus 6. So by taking the property that when the bases are same and exponents are different, we will add the exponents, and if the exponent is 0, the value will be 1. So first we will put the value of x raised to the power 0 as 1, and adding all the exponents, we will get x raised to the power 4 multiply 1. So the answer will be x raised to the power 4. The value of sine 30 cos 60 minus cos 30 sine 60 is equal to, by taking trigonometric identity, sine A minus B is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. We will get sine 30 minus 60, and solution will be minus sine 30. Question 13. What is the ratio of the mean proportion between 1.6 and 3.6 and the third proportional of 5 and 8? So, mean proportional of A and B is equal to under root AB, and then for putting the values, under root 1.6 multiplied 3.6 is equal to 2.4. the third proportional of two numbers A and B is number C, such that A ratio B is equal to B ratio C. To find C, we can use the formula C is equal to B square by A. In this case, A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 8. So C is equal to 8 square by 5, that is 12.8. So required ratio will be 2.4 upon 12.8, that is 6.3 upon. The difference between the cost price and selling price of a pair of shoes is rupees 1,200. If the profit is 15%, the selling price is. Taking the formula, profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price multiply 100. And as we know, SP minus CP is equal to 1,200. Now putting this in equation, we will get 1,200 plus CP is equal to 100 plus 15 upon 100 multiply CP. So the value of CP will be 8,000. Now using SP minus CP is equal to 1,200 again, we get SP is equal to 9,200. Question 15. A person lends certain sum of money at the annual rate of 25% on simple interest. In 6 years, the interest amounted to rupees 360 more than the sum lent. What is the sum lent? Now taking formula, simple interest is equal to P multiply R multiply T upon 100. We will get P plus 360 is equal to P multiply 25 multiply 6 upon 100. So the value of P will be 720. The side of an equilateral triangle is 12 cm. What is the radius of the circle circumscribing this equilateral triangle? Taking the property, radius of a circumcircle of an equilateral triangle is equal to radius is equal to side upon under root 3. We will put the values and rationalizing this given equation, we will get radius is equal to 4 under root 3. The following table shows the number of different items in different shops and their respective selling prices per unit. So by studying this table, we will have to find the percentage of total revenue which comes from cooler from shop E, considering all given items are being sold from shop E and from all the given shops only given 3 items are being sold, rounded off to 3 decimal places. For calculating the required percentage, we will take ratios of selling price of cooler, fan and ACs. So equation will be 1 multiply 800 upon 5 multiply 26,500 plus 1 multiply 8,000 plus 4 multiply 12,200 multiply 100. So by solving this equation, we will get required percentage 4.226%. Question 18. The following table shows the mark in percentage obtained by 6 students in 4 different subjects in an examination. Maximum marks in each subject are 100. Answer the following question based on the table. What is the number of students whose overall percentage obtained is 80% and above? For solving this, it is very simple that those students who got 80% and above marks in each subject, their average will be 80% or above. So by taking this in consideration, we will find A, B, D and F got 80% or above marks in their exams. Question 19. The table given below shows the number of persons participating in a survey from 6 different states. What is the ratio of number of persons participating in a survey from state S3 to the number of persons participating in survey from state S4? So simple equation will be 400 upon 500. So required ratio is 4:5. Question 20. What is the remainder when 8,127 is divided by 8? So taking equation, A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is the remainder, B is the divisor, Q is quotient and A is the number dividend. So here remainder is greater than 0 and smaller than the divisor. In this case, A is 8,127, B is 8 and we can use long division method to find Q and R. So the quotient will be 1015 and the remainder is 7. Question 21. A, B and C can complete a piece of work separately in 10, 20 and 40 days respectively. In how many days will the work be completed if A is assisted by both B and C every third day? So LCM of 10, 20 and 40 is 40. So total work unit is 40. In a day, A can do 4 units. So in 3 days, he will do 12 units of work. B and C together can do 3 units in a day. In 3-day cycle, they all will do 15 units of work. In 6 days, they all will do 30 units. Remaining work units are 10. In next 2 days, A will complete 8 units and remaining 2 units will be completed by all in 2 by 7 days. So, the Work will be completed in 8 right, 2 by 7 days. Question 22. What is sin alpha minus sin beta? To find the value of sin alpha minus sin beta, we need the simple formula, that is sin alpha minus sin beta is equal to 2 cos alpha plus beta upon 2 multiply sin alpha minus beta upon 2. A lead hemisphere of radius 4 cm is cast into a right circular cone of height 72 cm. What is the radius of the base of the cone? Taking the formula of volumes, hemisphere and cone, both the volumes are same, so we can put volume of hemisphere is equal to volume of cone. Now putting the value of radius or r in the hemisphere, as we know the radius of hemisphere, we can easily solve this equation, and the r of cone will be 1.33 centimeter. If the angles of a triangle are x minus 46 degrees, x plus 96 degrees, and 8x degrees, then what is the value of 2x? So, as we know, the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and putting the value of all these angles in this equation, we can easily find out the value of x, that is 13. So, 2x will be 26 degrees. Question number 25. O is the center of the circle. Tangent drawn from a point P touches the circle at Q. If PQ is equal to 24 cm and OQ is equal to 10 cm, then what is the value of OP? Here we can take the property that tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius drawn to the point of tangency. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find OP. So the equation will be OP square is equal to OQ square plus PQ square, and in this way we can easily find out that OP is equal to 26 cm. Thanks for watching the video. Keep preparing for your exam.